Well, I'm finally gonna fix this blasted tire once and for all. It's I don't feel like changing it. I think it's honestly, I'm not sure how you even take the damn tire apart, to be honest with you. But heck, I really don't want to even mention the product because I am definitely not getting paid for this, and this stuff is very expensive. But I'm gonna tell you what's true. It does work. I bought a gallon of it. I had to bite the bullet, and this stuff is it's expensive. It was $130 for that gallon. Now, before everybody freaks out on why you just don't have it done, or well, first, I can't find where it's leaking from. Why don't you put a plug in it? Yada yada yada. It goes flat in about 2 days, and I can't figure out where it's leaking from. And I have used this stuff on a couple of the backhoe tires, and it has worked phenomenal. So it's going to take like a third of that. I bought a gallon jug. It should take like a third to not quite half of it. I'm going to put a third in there and see what it does. But yeah, the Army truck, it is for sale. We did fix the dump bed on it, so I'll explain it a little bit more in the video once I get this pump back up and some of that put in there and get the tire fixed. We'll take it for a little drive. But yeah, this kit does come with where the world. So you got your injector tube right here. Well, in the end of it's a cap, which is also a valve stem remover. Now, I did loosen this up to make sure that it would come out, or it attempted to. It's a little tighter than I thought it would be. Come on, there we go. All right, now the valve stem is out. Let's put that where it won't roll away. This tube just screws on. Should. And most likely you should just be able to pour it in here. But if not, it's a 5-ounce tube, so it should take, what's a gallon? 128. I think it said around 40. So that's 6. Yeah, 5, 10. No, it's more than that. Well, if a half a gallon, yeah, you're doing math on the camera here, that's not going to turn out pretty. Let's not lose the valve stem. You got to shake this really well, it says. Yeah, 8. Let's see, yeah, 8 would be 40. Oh, no, yeah. 6 would be 32. If I'm poured in there, I'm going to lose track. Well, I'll just pour. Do the southern thing. Pour till you feel like it's enough. And stop. Isn't that nifty? Look at this stuff. It's got like little... Can you see? You can see like little... Hell, I don't know. I use my darn laundry detergent container. That's exactly what that is. Oh shit. Why am I spilling it? I've already screwed up. Why was it leaking out like that? Why does it leak out? Oh, the little drain. Ah. That's kind of a bad design. Well, I only got to do 6 more of these. Yeah, that stupid little... That's a bad design. That is a bad design. No, be halfway there after this one. But it's not a bad design if you know how to pour it. Oh. Gurgle, gurgle. It's gonna take a while. I need like one that's like twice as big. Oh shit. How many was that? That was 5, wasn't it? Making a mess. Of course, I'm feeling it a little bit fuller. A little extra never hurt anything. That's 6. 7. Oh, faithful. I have royally made a mess. At least water washes it off. And number 8. That's enough. Please don't spray me. I just got all involved in this. Alright, well now I put the valve stem back in. After I get a rag. Well, we don't need rags. Oh, we don't need rags. Put the valve stem back in. Now if I can barely twist it because I got that liquid slimy stuff all over me. Alright, now we just need the air compressor. And now we wait for 10 minutes for that to pump up. I don't know, 5, at least 5. But yeah, the old truck is for sale. Looking to get $7,500 for it. Hell, we spent $7,000 just on that new scissor lift for it. It's got the Cummins motor in it. I have to go, I don't know all the specs on it, but yeah, the old hoisting system, it had a flaw in it, so we had that cut off and a scissor lift put on it. It's coming on up. Well, I give the old truck credit. Now that we got the nice Volvo truck, it's hard to use it, but the thing's set for like 2 or 3 months, and watch this. Fires right up. Every time. It's a good running old truck. Let me get the tire pumped up and we'll take it for a little drive around the farm. You gotta get that stuff sloshed around and higher. It should, if it's done like all the other ones, take care of the problem. Well, it did take 10 minutes. Let's take it for a little spin. First we gotta get the bed to come down. Where there's a power, I got it raised all the way back. There's a power, there we go. It's gonna power down. Once it gets past like the tipping, I think it'll actually land all the way back. Let's see. We want high range. Where was the shifting pattern? Oh yeah, here we go. Hot in here. Make sure we still got brakes. It did stop. I don't know how quick it would stop. They work. Hey, there's all my sod. Look at that. Everybody said it wouldn't be green. That one damn little spot right there is bothering me. We should probably take it out a third. Look at that. Beautiful. We'll run backwards. Mirror needs to be tilted in plenty. That's a plenty. Good job, Chris. Not paying attention. I bet I've mired it up too. Yep. Good job, Chris. We're second. We gotta get second gear. For a lap around the field. That would be a hump. I don't know how much you're supposed to drive this stuff. But I feel like it's getting pretty sloshed up at the moment. I'm gonna let it be. I haven't dumped anything out, so I'm gonna drive around a little bit more and then load this thing down with mulch and dump it out. Make sure the dump system works good on it since they fixed it. We'll see. So I got her loaded down, well, as much as you can with mulch. Let's see what it's gonna do. Make sure it dumps. Isn't that pretty good? Possibly. We'll see. So as you can tell, it dumps.